In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make outline text in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. This is an essential technique every Illustrator user should know, especially if you're preparing logos, sending files to print, sharing artwork with clients, or making sure your fonts don't get substituted on another computer. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just how to create outline text, but also when and why you should use it. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and load the document that contains the text you want to outline. If you haven't created your text yet, select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left. Click anywhere on your artboard and type your desired text. You can adjust the font, size, spacing, and styling however you like before converting it to outlines. It's important to finalize your text edits first, because once you convert text to outlines, it will no longer be editable as text. Now that your text is ready, switch to the Selection tool. You can do this quickly by pressing V on your keyboard. With the Selection tool active, click directly on the text to select it. You'll see a bounding box appear around the text, indicating that it's selected. Next, go to the top menu bar and click on Type. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Create Outlines. As soon as you click this option, Illustrator will convert your live text into vector shapes. You'll notice that the text is no longer editable with the Type tool. Instead, each letter has been transformed into individual vector paths. At this point, your text is officially outlined. To see this more clearly, you can switch to the Direct Selection tool by pressing A on your keyboard and click on one of the letters. You'll now see anchor points in path outlines, which confirms that the text has been converted into vector shapes. One important thing to understand is what this actually means. When text is outlined, it becomes a collection of shapes rather than a font file reference. This is extremely useful when sending your Illustrator file to a printer or another designer, because it ensures the appearance of your text will remain exactly the same, even if the other person doesn't have that font installed. Another benefit is that you can now customize each letter in more advanced ways. For example, you can ungroup the text by right-clicking and choosing Ungroup, which allows you to move or edit individual letters separately. You can also use tools like the Direct Selection tool to manipulate anchor points, reshape letters, or apply gradients and effects in more detailed ways. However, here's a quick warning. Once text is converted to outlines, you cannot simply change the wording or fix spelling errors unless you undo the action. That's why it's always a smart idea to keep a copy of your original live text either on a hidden layer or saved in a separate file before creating outlines. If you ever need to outline multiple text elements at once, you can hold down Shift and click to select multiple text boxes with the Selection tool, then go to Type and choose Create Outlines. Illustrator will convert all selected text at the same time, saving you even more time. And that's really all there is to it. Select the text with the Selection tool by pressing V. Go to Type, choose Create Outlines, and your text will instantly convert into vector shapes. If this video helped you learn how to make outline text in Illustrator, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical design tutorials. Let me know in the comments what Illustrator topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.